Hey there, hope you're all doing good. Before we jump in, please remember, stay at home and make some terrain. Perhaps you also need a few ruined buildings and structures for your gaming table. So stay tuned. This video shows a simple way to make good looking ruins for your favorite games. A window template is a pretty handy little helper. Search Google, print and glue it to a piece of cardboard. I use Styrodur aka XPS-Foam for this build, but cardboard or foam core are suitable alternatives. A sharp knife is essential, so sharpen your blades, be careful, and make sure you have a tetanus immunization. Sanding is a nice way to bring foam in angular shape. Industrial buildings need regularity, so spend some time in measuring and finding a nice layout for your ruin. Transferring measurements to the second wall saves time. Start to destroy the walls. Cut and plug. Prepare the base sandwich. And more destruction. Wood glue or PVA is my favorite glue because it offers enough time to adjust parts exactly. Wait till the glue has set before you continue. Clean up excess glue with water and brush to avoid nasty stains. Supporting structures and beams make a building more complex, and that creates the feeling of realism you may look for. Do not worry about accuracy, because you can hide model making accident with destruction. There are 1,000 ways of destruction to make a simple foam body look interesting. Time for a commercial break. If you are looking for a nice PDF with all shown techniques summed up, full of pictures and pointers, optimized for your mobile devices, a great companion for your building sessions, check out our Patreon and get your monthly terrain PDF. Let's prepare some details. You can use parts from MDF or plastic model kits. Search your bits box. Or you can use common things like wire or good old drinking straws to model tubes. The base needs rubble, but not too much, because you need flat areas to place your minis on. Reinforced concrete made of more wire and wire mesh always sells. Time to seal and texture the foam with a thin mixture of speckling compound. The base gets some soil paste with more sand and rubble. Oh yeah, that gonna look good. And stipple it on. A few more details and dirt and cleaning here and there. Is this ruined building ready for a few layers of paint? Just a few more scratches? And sand for some extra soil detail. If you like this kind of content, make sure you ring the bell and hit that subscribe button harder. Perhaps you are interested in the PDF tutorial with all techniques in detail, full of pictures and pointers? Consider to become a patron on Patreon and get your monthly terrain tutorial. You want to get into that terrain making thing and you may need tools and materials? So check out tabletopterrainlenny.com. There is a list of products that I use and recommend. If you want to keep this terrain train rolling, check out the links in the description below. Follow on Instagram, like on Facebook, or become a patron. Link, like and share. If you have any questions, drop a comment. And don't forget, stay at home and make some terrain. Thank you.